Hi there. I'm Sam, and I used to think I was just, well, not good at stuff. Math? Nope. Sports? No way. Art? Don't even get me started. It felt like everything I tried just ended up in a big pile of can't do it. I thought some people were just born smart or talented, and I wasn't one of them. But then I learned about this amazing little word, yet. It all started in math class. I was staring at this problem that looked like it was written in alien language. Numbers and symbols swam before my eyes, and I felt that familiar sinking feeling. I was about to give up when my teacher, Miss Growth, saw me struggling. She came over with this knowing smile.
Remember, Sam, you might not understand it.
Yet.
Yet means you're on a journey, Sam. It's not about being perfect now, it's about growing and improving.
That tiny word changed everything. Suddenly, I saw challenges differently. At first, it was tough. I kept making mistakes and feeling frustrated. I couldn't solve the math problem, yet. But I could keep trying. I couldn't kick the soccer ball straight, yet. But I could practice. I couldn't draw a perfect circle, yet. But each try got a little better. That yet was like a superpower, making every mistake a stepping stone instead of a roadblock. It was like a little seed of possibility was planted in my brain. And you know what? That seed started to grow. I practiced math every day, and those alien symbols started to make sense. I kicked that soccer ball again and again, and it finally flew straight. My circles? Well, they're still not perfect, but they're getting rounder every time. It's amazing how much you can grow when you give yourself the chance. Now, whenever I face something tough, I remember the power of yet. It's like a little sprout of possibility, just waiting to grow into something amazing. So what's your yet? What incredible things are you going to grow into? Remember, you might not be there yet, but you will be.
Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your yet is the first step on an amazing journey.